Okay, so if your heater goes out in your Kenmore Elite, it's this one. We have the HE4, so it looks like this one. And what you do is you take the bottom panel off. And there's only two screws. There's one there and one right there, and then you can take off the bottom panel. You gotta look under here. This bracket right here is in front of your heater element. That's right there. So what you do is you take the screw off right down here, and then there's a screw right up under there, and that's it. It's a 6.5 millimeter. Then this comes out, and then you're gonna see your heating element. And if you do a continuity check on these two wires from here to here, and you don't hear the tone, then you got a broken connection, and that means that your heater is bad, your heating element. So basically pop these wires off, pop this wire off, and then right in here there's one screw, and you take it out from the back here. It's another 6.5 millimeter. Everything's 6.5 millimeter. And then what you do is you pull out on this. So you hold this piece in there like that while you pull on this piece, and it just comes right out. That's it. Alright, so now that you got your piece out, you can see there's a tension tab right here, and that's really the only thing that keeps that thing in there, because it rides on a rail in the inside of that. But you can see that this one is burnt. It's got cracks all in it. So okay, here's the new one. We just ordered that, and there's the old one. And actually there's the brake on it right there. I don't know if you can see that, but that one's broke. That one's good. It got a good reading, so we're gonna put it in, see how it works.